right, so we're ready to start tightening this up. And the first thing I noticed actually was my little tool here is not quite in the center of what he's actually holding. So I just draw a selection around the whole thing and make sure I'm on the right layer, which is the tight sketch. I have renamed that to tight sketch for you guys. And I'm going to transform this just by rotating it. So you can grab this little, see the little line sticking out of the top, okay? That is what you can rotate the selection with. So I just want to bring it a little bit further in and line it up with what he's holding. And that seems to be about right. We'll hit done. And now we're ready for the final drawing, actually. Before we start coloring. Yeah, we'll color and all that stuff too. All right, so we're going to cancel the lasso and deselect it at the bottom. And you can see I've got the other sketch layers turned off. They're not visible anymore. All we can see is the sketch we have on top. So I'm going to make a new layer and go back to my old one, just like the rest of them. Go to layer opacity. I'm going to lower that down. Make sure you guys can still see it. All right. And go back to my new layer on top, which I'm going to call drawing. We'll actually call it the final drawing. Final drawing. And I'm going to zoom up. Now, because I'm going to be doing the same thing for a while, and I'm not going to be changing layers, and I'm not really going to be changing tools, I'm going to go ahead and click up here at the top right, that little double arrow that is facing away from each other. Go ahead and click that, and it'll open up the canvas. It will, minimize some of these things so that they're not all in the way. You can click the left side. That'll expand the tool menu. So I want to click on the brush tool. To choose a brush, you do have to actually open that back up. I'm going to stay on the same brush. I like this kohl pencil. You can use any of the others, but I make sure I'm on that brush. We'll hide the rest of the interface, and I'm going to zoom up and start following kind of what was already here, and maybe embellishing a little bit too. Now, you can see too that you can drag this little modifier tool wherever you want. I tend to keep it over here on the left side so I can easily grab it, but you'll see me use it to add little highlights and things like that, like to the eyes here. Oh, he's meant to be looking down at his wrist, isn't he? I forgot about that. Maybe I will leave it like it was before. And you see me, I'm undoing a lot. I just keep hitting the canvas, undo, and that will, or redo. That'll bring my lines back. Yeah, those astronauts have those little caps they wear over their heads that's what I'm thinking about here. And every now and then, you can zoom out, see how it looks if you like. And I'm just going to draw, I'm going to draw through this big circle thing. And we'll come back and add that later. And my lessons on most of the places where you guys get my lessons, they're limited to like 10 or 15 minute lessons. So if I time lapse this or break it up or something, that is why. It's because I can't fit the whole thing in one lesson. I'm going a little bit thinner with these lines. I'm not pressing quite as hard on the pressure. So I've got my final drawing here pretty tightened up. So I'm going to go in and turn off that sketch layer underneath. Again, click the layer, click the eyeball, turn that off. Oh, remember that I forgot to draw these lines down here. There we go. So now I'm going to turn this sketch off. And I'm going to zoom up a little bit here and start detailing this a little bit more just by actually erasing some. Yeah, I'm just kind of going in some of these lines that are a little bit more sketchy than I prefer. And I'm using the same exact tool. I'm just holding down that button to erase. So you're kind of drawing in both directions. You're drawing with black and drawing with white. And some of this is just like adding little bits of bobs and things and making it look like we did a whole bunch of details that we really didn't do. Yeah, in some of these places where the line got a little thicker than I wanted, I can clean that up. And I'm erasing just inside of this bowl here a little bit, just so we can kind of see that there's something happening here. All right, so he's a little cleaned up. He's looking a little bit better. What I like to do now for something like this, if we want, because it's fun to just add detail, I'm gonna go down to this fine grain brush, I think. Maybe that's it. No. Well, actually, we could do it the same brush, just a little bit smaller. So I'm going to take the same brush that I've had, it's the same one, I'm just going to shrink it a little bit. I'm going to go down to like, I don't know, before it was on like 30 or something, so it's down to like 10, alright, so it's very, very thin, very sketchy. And I'm just going to come in here and do a little bit of, it's just detail to make this look a little bit more lived in, and maybe some wrinkles here and there, maybe some more details. And again, like I'm just sort of being rough and adding little bits of information. It doesn't have to be perfect. All right, so we've got our little drawing here done, and sorry I forgot to record some of that background, but it was just like a sketchy little bit of drawing there. I think it's time for shadows. So yeah, let's do shadows in the next lesson.